Welcome back to CRB Trains. We've got something very weird. Well, I've never heard of it, neither has he, but it's trailing on Q574. It's like in Arkansas, Louisiana, and Mississippi or Missouri. What?
Is Arkansas, Louisiana, and Mississippi Railroad.
We don't know what it is, so we just looked it up. And can you tell my viewers about it?
Yeah, so it's a EMD GP28. It was built in 1964. Not a ton of information on the railroad itself, but it looks like they had a few locomotives, but quite a few of them looks like they got cut up. So this is one of the few that are left, it looks like.
So it's a pretty good catch from what I'm hearing. It should be here. We've got the approach signal right over there. So it could be here anytime. All right, we'll be right back. All right, we chased it here to KC Junction, and we've got an aspect signal indication right over there. It should be here momentarily. All right, guys, that was really awesome. I hope you enjoyed the video. I still am not quite sure exactly what that thing is. So if you know any information, let me know in the comments because I'd love to hear it. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.